guys, welcome back to this video and I'll be showing you how to make rupees into Paisa vice versa calculator. So as you can see, I chose sprite as the green flag, backdrop as blue sky, and just to go with the green flag is cooked. Make two variables. Let's rename this one Paisa, Paisa and rupee. Is that right? Yeah. So once you make these two variables, hide both of them. Hide variable Paisa and hide variable rupee. Then, yeah, let's minimize this. Then we do, when the green flag is clicked, set Paisa to 0 for forever. If the up arrow key is pressed, then I'll show variable Paisa, and I'll just show variable Paisa, and I'll just large it out, and Paisa will be here. Yeah, Paisa will be here. Paisa, okay. Paisa will be here, and show variable rupee. Wait, and I'll just enlarge this. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now minimize. Okay, after we're done with that, now let's get back to the code. Show variable Paisa, ask how much rupee, how much rupee into Paisa. Okay, and now we'll set Paisa to answer multiplied by 100. Answer multiplied by 100. Messed up. Alright, and then you just duplicate this. Set this to rupee. Down arrow key pressed. How much Paisa into rupee. Set rupee to variable rupee. Set rupee to answer multiplied by 100. No, answer divided by 100. So let's see if this works. Oh, and if you want to add some I think this is it. Yeah, you could add some thing to the background. Delete the first one. You just add this background, and then you could add just like math equations like plus, minus, multiplied by, and divided by. Okay, Control plus C. Control plus C. Let me just zoom in. Okay. What? Control plus A. Oh, V. Control plus C plus V. Yeah, I forgot them. Yeah, so, okay, let's just apart a bit. Yeah, now we're talking. Divided by. Yeah, and you could add some text. Mathematics. Currency. And you get like a conversion thing. Conversion. You good at coding. Yeah. No, it's all decorated and stuff. So that's it for today, guys. See you. Wait. See you next time. I cannot do it. So next time. Bye.